สวัสดีค่ะ I'm here at Dr. Wu's house, or Blake of the Sports Pod, and I'm so excited because we're gonna Asianize it up, Chinese Thai. Let's go tie it up.
Hey, Nikki!
Dr. Wu!
Come in, come in, come in.
Let's go. Oh wow, here is the stage.
Here it is.
I
This
love
is
the
kitchen.
setup.
Thank you.
So what do you have for me, sir?
Well, I went to Ranch 99 or 99 Ranch. So I literally picked up the most random stuff that I could possibly think of.
Can I see what we got?
Okay, let's just, it's in the Ranch 99 bag.
Okay.
Right here.
This is so chopped. Like, here's your mysterious ingredient.
Yes.
Okay, so no matter
It's the
what, we're
whole
going to do
fish.
this. Okay.
Here we go.
We have a red snapper, guys. So one of my favorite things to make with the red snapper in Thai is Pla Neung Manao. It is a fish in like a chili lime garlic soup.
Nice.
With lemongrass.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna go see what else he's got. See if we can even make this dish. Oh, garlic for sure.
Okay.
Cilantro for sure. It's like my kitchen. Ooh, what's this?
That's pork broth.
We could use that if we wanted to. Or we could just keep it very fish.
Well, let's use the pork broth. I did it last night in the Instant Pot. So that's really fresh.
I feel super high energy from you.
Okay, yes, let's do this.
Let's do this.
Let's get into it.
What we're gonna make. What are we gonna make? Is this your show?
Yes, no, maybe. Yes, walk with Wu, this is it.
Eventually, it's
There is
gonna
a walk
turn-
here.
There
Let's
is
do
a
this.
walk. We got fish. This is my surprise element. And like I said, I was very inspired that I wanted to make the Pla Neung Manao.
Uh-huh.
Can you say that for me?
Bani Mo Hao.
It's not Chinese.
I was close.
Pla.
I was close. Blah.
Neung
Noon.
Ma Now.
Now.
Pla is fish. Neung is steam. Manao is lime juice.
I knew that.
Yeah, exactly.
Classic.
Classic. So how would you prep your fish?
Generally we scale it, gut it, wash it.
Done.
And then I would just let it sit at room temperature for like 5 minutes.
Oh, fancy.
Just to even out the meats.
Oh, let it
Yeah.
come back to life.
Right, like come back to a temperature so that when we steam it, it's evenly steamed.
Very zen.
Yes.
Of you to like
Balance.
play homage to the fish.
Very balanced.
I say we stuff this fish with some lemongrass.
Okay, let's do it.
Can you like hammer some lemongrass
Yes.
for me?
Okay, I have a special tool for it. Bam. How flat do you want it?
As flat as you can. Oh, that's good.
That's good?
That's
Okay.
beautiful.
Boom.
Keeping it in chunks, just sliding it right in. It helps with the fishiness of the fish, right?
Noted.
I think 3's good. But I want you to keep going on the
Yeah.
other ones.
Okay.
Because we're gonna put that in the soup.
Do you want me to also jam?
Let's jam some garlic in here. Ooh, aren't you having so
Yeah.
much fun?
Ah.
We got some good stuff going on in here. Okay,
Done.
now that our fish is stuffed, I'm just gonna make some little lines on here. You
Okay.
normally do that. I know you
Yeah.
do a lot of cooking.
Yes, I do a lot of cooking. That's why there's a lot of food in the fridge.
Tell me, how did you get into cooking?
It comes from my mom, 100%.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah. The way that you pass on culture is through food, really.
Oh, my love language, yes.
And I also know that my mom's not gonna live forever, and I love my mom's food. So for the longest time, I've been like videoing and like taking down every recipe.
Where can I find this?
You're gonna have to torture me to get these recipes.
I was hoping it was gonna come out while I'm here recording all of this. Isn't that the whole point?
The whole point was to actually steal all of your recipes. And then add it to my Dr. Wu recipe book.
Fair enough. I literally just chopped 4 chilies while you were chatting. Is that good for you?
That is.
How spicy you like your food?
I like it real spicy.
Okay, so how I steam in a wok is I create a little bed of Napa cabbage.
Okay. You know what? I think we should be drinking some sake.
We can do sake.
Yes. Okay. So I have some sake right here.
Okay. And
Are you
also
ready?
your dog's name is Saki, which is
Right.
so cute.
Yes. Okay.
And we're transferring it into a beautiful bottle because...
It's just nice tradition.
So as he's pouring, I am going to create my steamer in the wok where I'm gonna set like big round circles of Napa cabbage right in the middle.
Napa is a great, is it a vegetable? Is it a fruit?
It's
Who knows? Who knows? It's one of those mysterious
You should know, doctor.
This vegetable is not a human body. Why would I know that?
Okay, more lemongrass that you pound in for me.
Yes, excellent.
Some of the chili.
Yeah, sprinkle it in.
Sprinkle it in. Got some chopped garlic.
Nice.
I love lots and lots of chopped garlic. And then we have our beautiful fish that we're gonna lay right on top. And you made this.
I made this last night.
How'd you make this?
I put it in the Instapot. We have a lot of the big femur bones from the pig, and I pressure cook it for about an hour and a half. Yeah.
Okay, so just enough where the fish is gonna steam all its yummy goodness to the bottom. I'm going to just put a little salt on the fish, just so it's happy.
Yes, looks very happy.
Doesn't it?
On the other side.
On the other side, just a little bit. A little bit of lime juice. But I'm gonna top it off at the end with fresh lime juice.
Okay.
Because I like that fresh flavor.
Yeah.
A little bit of fish sauce. And I'm going to put in some of our gluten-free stir-fry sauce.
Okay.
Marinade to add to the sauce.
Smells good. Oh yeah, it does. It
Turn
smells
on
really
the
good.
fire. Nice.
Yes.
And you got a lid.
Yeah, the lid is right here.
And this is just gonna cook for
Like
about
that.
10-15 minutes.
All right, well, let's get some
Free
sake
fish.
in.
Sake!
Here you go. Cheers.
Kanpai.
Kampai.
How do we say it in Chinese?
I don't know. That's a good question. Ask mom.
Mom?
Mom,
In Thai we say chayo.
how do you say it in Cantonese, mom? Ma!
Ma's gonna watch this YouTube and comment on for us.
Yeah, comment, mom.
We're not gonna even Google it.
Yeah. You know what? I
What's
felt like
up?
this was too easy. I do have
Was
a
it too
surprise.
easy?
Surprise ingredients!
What surprise?
I bought one more thing.
You did?
It's in the fridge. You should go check it. Check it out.
Check it.
Check it out.
Is this what you're talking about?
You have been wooed. Yes.
Okay.
Chicken feet.
Looks like we're gonna have to have another episode because I can't be doing two things at the same time. It's a little too much.
Okay, I get
So
it.
stick around because
around.
I am gonna take on the challenge. We're gonna take it all over in a whole new app. So I'm just
Yes.
gonna have some cilantro, get ready for like the toppings.
Yes.
Right? You wanna do this?
Yes. Can I peel this, or is it?
What do you mean peel?
I mean, like peel the leaves off like this. Do you want the leaves or do you want the stems
Are
in?
we going like a 5-star Hong
Yes.
Kong Ian?
Yes.
No, I use all of it.
All of
sir.
it, right?
Come
okay.
on, we're Asian.
Okay. Boom. Don't worry.
Yeah!
I got it.
Now,
I got it.
Now we're talking. Now
I
I,
got
know why
it.
you asked me those questions.
Right. So
Beautiful.
now
Oh,
we get into it. Ooh.
I feel the aromatics. Okay, sir, we're good.
Okay.
Thanks.
You didn't want like fine. You did not tell me
I
how
did not.
fine
I
it
just
was
wanted to
gonna
go.
be.
I just wanted to see what I love when I go into other people's kitchen to see what they do
Yeah.
and to see how far they'll go.
I would have gone all the way.
All the way.
I know
No.
you said no garlic, or no, not garlic. You said no,
No
ginger.
ginger.
Rude. Chinese people put ginger on everything.
Yes, thank you for telling the world about this situation. So
Yes.
there's often, yes,
true.
it's a misnomer that
Yeah.
all Asian cooking, you put ginger and
No.
garlic in everything. No.
I would say Thai and Vietnamese food is a lot of fish sauce.
Yes.
And then Chinese food is like a lot of like starches, oyster sauce.
Yes.
Ginger. We put ginger
You
in
do-
literally everything.
Yes, they.
Yeah. They.
I'm actually also
They.
very Chinese. Yeah, no
Yes.
ginger in this. We like lemongrass.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. There is a lot of lemongrass. This
love
I would like to watch
lemongrass.
you cut it. There's people that hold the knife like this.
Uh-huh.
And then you held the knife like more like this, right?
I feel like I have more control.
Yeah. I feel like I have more control this way. Do you go forward or backwards this way?
Forward for
Momentum?
yeah.
Because some people do it the other way. They go like backwards.
No, this is not normal for me.
Yeah.
And I'm like, I feel like I'm poking
Right.
myself. You need to do the rocking,
rocking,
motion because the
right.
knife has, what do you
Rocked,
call?
Bladed, curved.
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 Curved for that rocking motion.
Yes. When I'm cutting fish or I'm like trying to fillet a fish, then I will use my fish like
True.
knife.
Yes.
Because it's a little bit more bendy.
Yep.
Which is, let me
Let's
grab that.
go there.
Let's go there. Which is like, I like this because you can bend into it and then go right into the bone. Like this. I don't know if you were just dancing there.
No, I'm trying to create the rolling motion.
We're rolling into it like this.
We didn't have to do that to this
I know,
fish.
we didn't. But sometimes when I'm making fillets, because I'll use the
Absolutely.
points to get to the spine of it, and then I'll come all the way
It's almost
across.
you're holding like a samurai knife.
Right.
Yes. I think this fish is done.
Okay.
You know it when the eye's popping out.
That's the best part.
Okay. Are you wooed?
I am wooed.
I mean, you are wooed.
Yeah, I am wooed. So I am also wooed by the fish.
You want to grab a spoon?
Okay. I thought you were going to feed me, but it's fine. Yes. Yes.
That's good?
That is delicious.
Does it need anything? More chili, more garlic, more...
I would say that it might need some lime juice for sure. It doesn't have that Thai lime.
I
and
agree.
then actually more fish sauce. I mean,
Let's put some lime juice in.
Lime juice. Here's some lime juice. Here we go. Do you want to? There you go.
And the reason why I didn't put like all the lime juice in at the beginning is because I want the freshness of the lime juice flavor right in here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Done.
You want more fish sauce is what you're saying?
Sauce. Here you go.
Sauce.
Here you go.
Thank all. Is English your first language?
Actually, funny story. English was not my first language. English was my third language.
Ooh, wait, what's your first and second?
First was Cantonese, and my parents would like keep us in like Cantonese school all the time.
Yeah.
And then our second language, we went to a French immersion school. French all day, and then we'd come home and be Cantonese all night.
That's right.
And then we'd learn English from TV, really, or YouTube. I guess we didn't have YouTube.
I didn't have YouTube.
Yeah,
You
I
might have had
didn't.
YouTube.
No. I'm old.
No, you're not.
I'm old.
It tastes awesome. You want to do another taste?
I mean, I thought you were gonna also feed me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Excellent. That's excellent. That's what I was hoping for.
Ready to try this?
Let's do it.
Yep.
Yeah.
He's coming in.
No, you gotta rock it to me, baby. Oh yeah.
Yeah?
That is the bomb.
The bomb.
Yes. Actually, I think we should put more chilies.
More lime? More chilies.
chilies.
Give me some drama queen.
Oh, no. What is this? Oh, extra spice. Yes.
You wanted some spice, didn't you?
Yeah, I did want some spice.
So I'm going to add it.
Ooh.
You got spice and crunch.
Okay, yes. Give me some texture.
Texture.
Give me some of the chili and the drama queen. Yes. A little bit of broth. Yes. Okay, napa. Give me some napa. Yes. See, this is a full spoonful of textures.
It is.
Yeah.
Good spice?
Better spice.
Crunch?
Crunchy.
Do you need more drama in your life?
Okay, give me more. One more. Yeah. Actually, give me the eyeball cheek.
Eyeball cheek.
Yeah, get the cheek, yes.
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah.
This is so Hong Kong of
Yes. Okay. Eyeball, yes. Oh, give me one of the actual. Jeeps thinks that I can eat that
Thai
chili. Yes.
chili?
Okay. She doesn't think I can eat it. Okay.
Well, I
also
think
napa.
you can. Napa.
Oh, parsley. Give me some of that cilantro.
Cilantro.
All right. Cheek is like the best. Just like a very tender
moist.
meat.
And the eyeball, what does that taste like?
My mom always used to say that if you want to have good eyesight, you better eat the eyeball.
Oh my
Seriously,
God.
do I wear glasses? Do you see these glasses? No.
No.
Eyeball.
Thanks for watching. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe, like, follow, comment. Mama, you call your mom Mama?
Yeah.
Yeah, Mom.
Mom.
Please,
Mom.
Ma.
Ama.
Please comment and let us know how you say chayo or cheers in
Cheers.
Chinese.
Cheers.
Cheers.